I'm Stan Shelton. I'm General Manager of the ESSCO division of Tencarva. The ESSCO division is the electrical division. We sell motors, design and build control systems, and have a UL panel shop.
The ESSCO product line is a little two-tiered aspect. We have a distribution business, box in, box out, and we have an integration business. The distribution business, we're a motor control powerhouse. Contactor starters, breakers, any logic device that operates the machine, anything from a push button to a relay to a large capacity drive. A good way to look at it is that what we're not an industrial house which sells wire, conduit, things of that nature. We are very focused on motor control and we're experts on it.
Today, IT has so much input on what goes in because having real-time data is so important to everybody. They want to know what's happening and when it's happening, and if there's a problem, they want to know it as soon as it happens. So communication has changed so much, and they want it right now. They want that information at their fingertips. They want to be able to pull it up from home and look at what's going on, and that's a big part of the change that has really happened is the electronics and the controls and the information that's available today.